All right, welcome. Today we're going to rip a pack of 1990 Skybox, doing a little Jordan and or Larry Bird hunt. And starting out with Karl Malone, the mailman, not a bad start. Kevin Willis, all right. Richie Adebayo. Derek Harper. Antoine Carr. A Utah Jazz team checklist. Mark West, guarded by Worthy. Michael Adams in that retro Nuggets uniform. Orlando Woolridge also on the Nuggets. Harvey Grant. Anthony Spud Webb, unbelievable dunker. Greg Grant. Hakeem the Dream Olajuwon. Looks like Sam Perkins. And an Adrian Caldwell rookie.